Tiger. The tiger is the largest of all big cats, with males weighing up to 310 kilograms. These magnificent striped predators are found across Asia, from the frozen forests of Siberia to the tropical jungles of Southeast Asia. Each tiger has a unique stripe pattern, like a fingerprint. They're solitary hunters, preferring to stalk prey alone under cover of darkness. Tigers are excellent swimmers and actually enjoy water, unlike most cats. Sadly, all 6 remaining subspecies are endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. The Bengal tiger is the most numerous, while the Siberian tiger is the largest. Tigers can leap up to 10 meters in a single bound and have been known to take down prey much larger than themselves, including buffalo and even young elephants. Their roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers away, serving as both a warning to rivals and a call to potential mates. Lion. Lions are the only truly social big cats, living in groups called prides of up to 30 individuals, found primarily in African savannas, with a tiny remnant population in India's Gir forest. These iconic predators are distinguished by the male's magnificent mane. Interestingly, female lions do most of the hunting, working cooperatively to bring down zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. Males defend the pride's territory, which can span up to 260 square kilometers. A lion's roar is incredibly powerful, reaching 114 decibels and audible from 8 kilometers away. Lions spend up to 20 hours a day resting, conserving energy for hunts and territorial disputes. Cubs are raised communally, with females in the pride nursing each other's young. Despite their king of the jungle title, lions actually prefer open grasslands. Their population has declined by 43% over the past 2 decades. Jaguar. The jaguar is the largest cat in the Americas and the 3rd largest worldwide. These powerful predators inhabit forests from Mexico through Central America to northern Argentina, with the Amazon being their stronghold. Jaguars have the strongest bite force of any big cat relative to size, capable of piercing turtle shells and crushing skulls. Unlike most cats, they're comfortable in water and are skilled swimmers, often hunting caimans and fish. Their spotted coat provides perfect camouflage in dappled forest light. The name jaguar comes from the indigenous word jaguar, meaning he who kills with one leap. Jaguars are solitary and territorial, with males controlling ranges up to 80 square kilometers. They're cultural icons throughout Latin America, featured prominently in Mayan and Aztec mythology. Conservation efforts are crucial as deforestation threatens their habitat corridors. Leopard. Leopards are perhaps the most adaptable of all big cats, thriving in diverse habitats from African savannas to Asian rainforests, and even mountains up to 5,200 meters elevation. These medium-sized cats are incredibly strong for their size, capable of dragging prey twice their weight up into trees to protect it from scavengers. Their rosette-patterned coat varies from pale gold to deep rust depending on habitat. Leopards are solitary, nocturnal hunters with exceptional night vision. They're remarkably stealthy, able to approach within meters of prey undetected. With the widest distribution of any wildcat, leopards have 9 recognized subspecies, including the critically endangered Amur leopard, with fewer than 100 individuals remaining. Black panthers are actually melanistic leopards, possessing the same spots visible under certain lighting. These opportunistic predators eat everything from beetles to antelopes, demonstrating remarkable survival flexibility. Snow leopard. The snow leopard, or ghost of the mountains, inhabits the harsh, remote mountain ranges of Central Asia at elevations between 3,000 and 5,500 meters. Perfectly adapted to extreme cold, they have thick fur, wide paws that act like snowshoes, and a long tail for balance and warmth. Their pale gray coat with dark rosettes provides camouflage against rocky slopes. Snow leopards are solitary and extraordinarily elusive, rarely seen even by researchers. They prey primarily on blue sheep and ibex, capable of taking down animals 3 times their weight. Unique among big cats, snow leopards cannot roar due to different vocal cord structure, instead, producing chuffing sounds. Their range spans 12 countries across 2 million square kilometers. Only 4,000 to 6,500 remain in the wild, threatened by poaching, prey depletion, and climate change affecting their high-altitude habitat. Their exceptionally long tail, often equal to their body length, helps with balance on treacherous terrain. Cheetah. The cheetah is built entirely for speed, holding the title of fastest land animal at up to 120 kilometers per hour. Unlike other big cats, cheetahs have non-retractable claws for traction, lightweight frames, enlarged nasal passages for oxygen intake, and long tails for steering at high speeds. Found primarily in African grasslands, with a tiny population in Iran, they hunt during daylight to avoid competition with stronger predators. Cheetahs rely on explosive acceleration rather than endurance, typically giving up after 300 to 400 meters. The distinctive black tear marks, running from their eyes to mouth, reduce sun glare. Less aggressive than other big cats, cheetahs often lose kills to lions, leopards, and hyenas. Females are solitary except when raising cubs, while males form small coalitions. With only 7,000 remaining, they face threats from habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and low genetic diversity from a prehistoric population bottleneck. Cougar. This cat of many names holds the Guinness record for the animal with most names, including cougar, puma, mountain lion, and over 40 others in English alone. They have the largest range of any wild terrestrial mammal in the Western Hemisphere, from Canada's Yukon to Chile's Patagonia. Unlike other big cats, cougars cannot roar but produce high-pitched screams, whistles, and purrs. These adaptable solitary hunters take prey from mice to elk, with deer being their primary food source. Cougars are ambush predators, using powerful hind legs to leap up to 12 meters horizontally and 5 meters vertically. They're remarkably secretive, living near human populations while rarely being seen. Males maintain territories up to 780 square kilometers, overlapping with several females' smaller ranges. While not currently endangered overall, some subspecies like the Florida panther remain critically threatened with fewer than 200 individuals. Clouded leopard. The clouded leopard represents a bridge between big cats and small cats, possessing characteristics of both. Found in Southeast Asian forests from the Himalayan foothills through mainland Southeast Asia to Borneo and Sumatra, these medium-sized cats are exceptional climbers. They have proportionally the longest canine teeth of any cat, up to 5 centimeters, and the largest paws relative to body size. Their distinctive cloud-shaped markings provide perfect camouflage in dappled forest light. Clouded leopards are so arboreal, they can hang upside down from branches and descend trees head first. They're solitary and primarily nocturnal, making them extremely difficult to study in the wild. Recent genetic studies revealed the Sunda clouded leopard as a separate species in 2006. Population estimates are uncertain, but widespread deforestation and poaching for their beautiful pelts threaten their survival throughout their range. Which big cat is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed learning about these incredible big cats, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more wildlife content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.